The very first model of the most powerful factory Mustang ever was auctioned tonight for $1.1 million, as it goes for the famed muscle car's biggest win ever, trying to help researchers cure children with type 1 diabetes. Craig Jackson, chairman and CEO of Barrett-Jackson, was the winning bidder.
200,000 on it, and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 300,000 on it, and 300 pound on it, 400, and keep it running for 5, and 450, and 4.5 on it, out of it, 4.5, and 450, now 4.5, now 5, and 500,000 on it, and 5, and 500,000 on it, out of it, get down 500 is bid, and 550, and say 5.5, and 5.5, and 600 pound on it, and 600 pound on it, 600 is bid, and 650,000 on it, and 657, and 700 pound on it, and 70 get down 700, and 700 pound on it, and 70 get down 700 pound on it, out of it, get down 7, and 800,000 on it, and 800 pound on it, try me, 800 pound on it, 8, Craig, you're out, 800, stand 7.5, now 800,000, 800 is bid, 850,000 on it, 850 on him, 850 on him, 900, and 900,000 on it, and 999, and 999, and 900,000, 900 is bid, and 9.5, and 9.5, hell, $1 million, I had to get $1 million, and $1 million, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million is bid, and $1 million, 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 $100,000 here, and $1 million, 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 $1 million, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million, yes. Thanks, boss. Now $1 million, $2, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $2, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $200,000, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $2, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $200,000, down to $1 million, $2, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $2, and $1 million, $1, and $1 million, $2, and everybody else all through. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulate Mr. Craig Jackson. He bought the car.